Okay, I'm going to do this as long as it takes. The battery might go out. I mean, because of I don't have enough space, probably. Ow, that hurt my fingers. Ugh, I just dropped my keys. That was the whole point. That was the whole point, y'all. I'm telling you. Hopefully y'all can see me. Can y'all see me? I can't tell. Let me see. Can y'all see me? Oh yeah, okay. So sorry, y'all. Oh. I can't get up here. Oh. Okay. Well, I'm glad they used the swings, because if not, we would have problems with spiders. I should have brought gloves. This feels good. The wind feels good. Watching everybody go and leave. I am sweating. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Yeah. Not trying to go that way. Trying to go that way. Hey. Okay. Now we gotta go back home. I'm done. I'm getting sweaty. It is so humid. Oh my goodness, I'm sweating. Sweating. Yes. Okay. Hopefully it's still recording. I'm not gonna know until I get down. Hopefully. I'll just leave that bag on that swing in case the next person wants to flip it over. But yay! Hi! I'm still being recorded. That's good. So, let's leave. Let's go back home. We'll go this way so I can show y'all a little bit more. There's the swing sets and the little what do you call it? A little set for children to play on, playground. Yeah. Thank y'all for coming out on my outing. What? How many minutes? Oh, that's so bad when I can't even read. I think it says 5. Boy, I think it's your heart pumping, because my heart's pumping. Like, really. Whew. I should have brought a drink and I didn't. I feel like I got... Oh, look. Ant. I didn't even check it. Wouldn't that have been cool if the ant was like up in my, what do you call it? Look, you can see that I'm sweating. I got hair sticking to my neck. The ant got on my, what do you call it, the little camera. That would be cool, huh? Y'all be like, attack of the ants! Ah! Okay, so there's the background. I'm leaving. Ooh, creepy white van. Creepy white van. Ooh. Got a red light, stoplight, and now he's stopped. Great. Great. He probably thinks I'm recording him because of the way I have my camera. Let him think that, so that way maybe he won't bother me or nothing. And if you see a little gray, sorry, but I'm trying to grow up my hair and I can't dye it. So that's the dilemma I have. And there's a bird. There's a white truck going to the park. There's another white truck going to the park. Well, maybe they're gonna, I don't think they're gonna play or nothing. Alright. Oh, he's leaving. Yay. Look. Creepy van leaving. He was parked right there by the tree. Weirdo. Okay. Cricket. You want to see the cricket? No lip bitches. Okay. I need a drink. And not no alcohol. I need some water. Cold water. Alright. See. I got boob sweat going on over here. I really mean it. I really mean that I am sweating. Try to keep looking to my back. Make sure I don't hear nobody, but you never know. Somebody might want to steal my wig. Can't have that, can we? Y'all holler if y'all see anything. Holler at me. Comment. Type it all. 1,000 words. Somebody's behind you. Okay. I still got a little bit more space, I guess. My goodness. I still got a while to get back home. And I'm walking. Oh, that's starting to hurt. Okay. I can't wait till this bridge is fixed. It's supposed to be open now. They kept pushing it off to month. Is there a sidewalk? Yeah, there's a sidewalk. Yay, sidewalk. 'Cause I don't want to be in the street because there's still cars coming, trucks coming. Boy, the city really needs to come out here and do something with these long ass bushes. Hey, is this, do y'all know what this is? It looks like that. What is that? Oh, I can't even think. Thyme? I don't know. Looks like it, right? I don't think it is. Ooh, spider. Boy, those spiders are just coming up like crazy. Spiders and big water bugs. Ugh, the worst.